I have the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9. This particular one is the Ultra, but I'll be showing you how to change the screen timeout period on all Galaxy S9 tablets. So what you need to do is from the home screen, just swipe up to go to the apps screen and then go to settings. On the main settings page, go to the left hand side panel and find display. Tap on that. Then under display, if you scroll, you should see screen timeout. It's currently set to 30 seconds, as you can see. And that's why after every 30 seconds, your screen dims and then eventually goes off. Okay. Now, if you want to change that time, tap on that. You can actually reduce it to 15 seconds, or you can increase to 1 minute, 2, 5, or even 10 minutes. Okay. Now, for instance, if I choose 10 minutes, as you can see, you can now go back from there or from here. Now, my screen will stay on for 10 minutes without any activity before it dims and eventually turns off. Okay. So that's basically how to change the screen timeout period on your Galaxy Tab S9. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.